Most e-commerce websites engage with each shopper in the same way. This means the shopper has to do the work, dig through menus to see if the brand carries what they need, compare products, often by flipping between pages, and scroll through lengthy product catalogs. And this experience can work well for shoppers who know exactly what they want and where to find it. But the reality is most shoppers don't. They show up with questions, general goals, or uncertainty, like I need new skis but I'm not sure which type, or can I fit a beanie under my helmet while snowboarding? An AI agent brings the brand's voice to life and puts it to work, responding, adapting, and interacting with each shopper in a way that feels personal and helpful. It becomes each visitor's personal shopping assistant, guiding them through the experience, answering their questions, and surfacing the right products or services at the right moment. In this video, I'll show how the AI agent works on Atlas, a ski and snowboard retailer, walking through examples that improve the shopping experience for customers and drive better results for the business. The Atlas website has a lot of educational information, like product guides, how-to posts, and other blogs. But most shoppers don't want to search through it all just to answer a simple question. With an AI agent, they don't have to. A visitor can ask something directly, like, do I need to clean my skis after every ski trip? The agent responds with a clear, useful answer, generated from Atlas's trusted content. It searches across brand-approved resources and finds what's most relevant based on the shopper's intent and context. If a shopper asks something outside of Atlas's scope, like, what's the best ski resort in Japan? The agent won't guess and stays within the bounds of trusted, brand-approved content. The digital assistant can also help shoppers compare products or features, pulling information together in one place based on what the shopper wants to know. For example, someone might ask, what's the difference between WaveCell and MIPS technology? The agent explains the core features of each helmet safety system, but then it can go a step further. If the shopper adds context, like which one is better for kids, the agent can offer a tailored recommendation based on that need. For those visitors that are a bit unsure about their goals, like, I need new skis but I am not sure which ones to get, the AI agent can offer an interactive tool to help point them in the right direction. Based on the skier's skill level, style, and location, they are given a ski type, like carving skis, and shown available product options in that category. Not only can the AI agent generate answers in context, it can also suggest relevant products based on the shopper's intent and how the conversation unfolds. For example, shoppers can start browsing this season's products by clicking a smart button when the agent is first opened. And if they want to narrow the search based on a specific need or interest, without clicking through a bunch of filters, they might say, I'm looking for a white beanie. Directly integrating with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, the AI agent surfaces relevant product recommendations based on inventory that match the request. Sometimes it's hard to put a question into words, and that's where images can help. A shopper might upload a photo of their damaged skis and ask, how do I fix this? The assistant uses Vision AI to identify the issue, like delamination, where the top sheet starts to peel from the ski's core. It pulls up a relevant how-to guide from Atlas's content with clear steps for how to repair the damage at home. But it also recognizes the moment as a chance to offer more support, surfacing Atlas's gear tune and repair services, which can be booked online. If the shopper wants to go that route, the assistant brings the booking form directly into the conversation. The same logic applies to other blockers that can get in the way of a purchase. Say someone's ready to buy skis but says, I'm not sure what size to get. The agent can provide general sizing guidance, but it also knows when to escalate, offering Atlas's personal fitting session as a next step, and placing the booking form right in front of the shopper. The AI agent can provide deeper support for shoppers than a traditional website by supporting customers as their journey evolves. For example, A shopper browsing goggles might decide they want to try them on in person before they buy. Instead of having to search for the nearest store on their own, the assistant can use their current location, with permission, or a provided address to find the closest options. From there, it can generate directions using Google Maps and deliver them directly in the chat, making it easy to shift from online to in-store without losing momentum. The agent also helps when things don't go as planned. Returns can be a hassle, but the agent simplifies that process with easy access to the returns form that allows shoppers to receive a refund, store credit, or exchange their item and submit the request right within the conversation. Once finalized, the agent generates a return label they can print. What you've seen here isn't just about answering questions or recommending products. It's about shifting the role your website plays, transforming it from a static experience into an active, helpful conversation powered by your brand's voice. If you'd like to learn more or talk through how an AI agent could support your site, reach out using the details below.